Okay, so today we're going to look at solving trig equations. Before we begin, we're just going to keep it very simple and go through the key skills that you're going to be using. If you can solve an equation that looks like this, 3x plus 2 equals 14, you're going to be able to solve any type of trig equation. The main thing is, you just got to remember, is reverse BODMAS or reverse BIDMAS, whichever you prefer, and you'll have no problem with it. So you should have been able to work that out about now. So let's go through it. 3x plus 2 equals 14. We take away 2 from both sides because we want the x terms on their own. So 3x equals 12, x equals 4 because we divide both sides by 3. Alright, that's your example, just a little practice. Get you guys to do a couple more. Question 2, 5x minus 9 equals, let's go for 26. Your solution, get rid of the minus 10 by adding 9 to both sides. 5x equals 35. Divide both sides by 5 because the opposite multiplying by 5 because the 5 is next to the x. This is divided by 5. X equals 7. No problems. You should have had that done. No problem. Let's go for one more. Let's say x over 7 minus 2 equals 47. Why did I do that? But let's see. Add 2 to both sides. X equals 49. X over 7 equals 49. And then we're going to multiply both sides by 7 to get rid of that division by 7. So therefore x equals 343. Okay, here's the basics, a little bit more. This time we're going to bring in the trig functions. So these are the trig functions are sine, cos, and tan. So let's keep it simple. If you're asked a question like sine x equals a half, we want to find out what x is. So what we have to do is we have to get rid of the sin on the left hand side, the function sin. Now to get rid of it, you have to inverse it, reverse it basically. And the symbol for that, a lot of you guys call it sine to -1. It's the inverse of sin. And when we put that into our calculator, because you're allowed using a calculator for this, you're going to get 30 degrees. Let's try it again for the next one. Cos x, I'm going to use a half again because these things are called exact values. It makes my life easy, you can do it without a calculator. Take the inverse of cos of both sides, because that cancels out the cos. And that, put into your calculator, you get 60. I'm going to put a little degree sign for each of these. And last one here I'm going to do is tan x equals 1. So what do I do to both sides? I get x equals tan to -1. 1. Put that into my calculator and I get 45 degrees.